Imagine waking up one morning to find you've gained a few extra inches in height. While genetics play a significant role in determining your height, certain exercises can help you maximize your growth potential and improve your posture, giving the appearance of being taller. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of home exercises that can help you achieve your height goals in no time. Number 1. Hanging exercises. Gravity compresses the spine and joints, negatively impacting your height. Hanging exercises help counteract this effect by stretching and elongating your spine, creating space between your vertebrae. Find a sturdy bar or any surface you can hang from. Grip the bar with your palms facing forward and your arms fully extended. Allow your body to hang freely, feeling the stretch in your spine. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat 3 to 4 times daily. Ensure your grip is strong to prevent slipping and keep your body relaxed to maximize the stretch. Number 2. Pelvic tilts. Pelvic tilts help stretch and strengthen your lower back, hips, and abdomen, contributing to a taller posture. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the position for 5 to 10 seconds. Lower your hips back down slowly and repeat 10 to 15 times. Focus on controlled movements to avoid injury and engage your core muscles for better stability. Number 3. Cobra stretch. The Cobra stretch targets your spine, chest, and shoulders, helping to lengthen and strengthen the muscles that support your spine. Lie face down on the floor with your palms under your shoulders. Slowly lift your upper body, arching your spine backward. Keep your hips and legs on the floor. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat 3 to 4 times. Avoid overextending your lower back and keep your shoulders relaxed and down. Number 4. Cat-cow stretch. This yoga pose sequence stretches your spine, neck, and shoulders, promoting flexibility and proper alignment. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, arching your back cow pose and lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. Exhale, rounding your spine cat pose and tucking your chin towards your chest. Continue this flow for 1 to 2 minutes. Move slowly and synchronize your breath with your movements, focusing on extending and flexing your spine fully. Number 5. Forward bend touching toes. Forward bends stretch your hamstrings, calves, and lower back, improving flexibility and reducing spinal compression. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend forward from your hips, reaching towards your toes. Keep your knees slightly bent if necessary. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat 3 to 4 times. Avoid bouncing moves smoothly into the stretch. Breathe deeply and relax your muscles as you stretch. Number 6. Bridge pose. The bridge pose strengthens your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings while stretching your chest and spine. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, pressing your feet into the ground. Clasp your hands under your back for added stability. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds. Lower your hips slowly and repeat 3 to 4 times. Engage your core for better balance and ensure your knees stay aligned with your hips. Number 7. Swimming. Swimming elongates your body and stretches your muscles while providing a low-impact full-body workout. Perform the breaststroke or freestyle stroke, focusing on extending your body fully with each movement. Swim for at least 30 minutes to maximize the benefits. Use a consistent and smooth stroke to avoid strain. Swimming regularly can significantly improve posture and muscle tone. Number 8. Leg kicks. Leg kicks stretch and strengthen your lower body muscles, promoting growth and flexibility. Stand upright with your feet together. Kick your right leg forward as high as possible without bending your knee. Return to the starting position and repeat with your left leg. Perform 10 to 15 kicks per leg. Keep your core engaged for better balance and move smoothly to avoid injury. Number 9. Side stretch. Side stretches elongate the muscles along your sides, improving flexibility and posture. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Raise your right arm over your head and bend your body to the left. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Perform 3 to 4 stretches per side. Avoid leaning forward or backward and breathe deeply to enhance the stretch. Number 10. Toe touches. Toe touches target your lower back and hamstrings, promoting flexibility and reducing spinal tension. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Reach forward, trying to touch your toes. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Return to the starting position and repeat 3 to 4 times. Keep your back straight to avoid injury and progress gradually to avoid overstretching. Achieving your desired height might seem like a tall order, but with consistent effort and the right exercises, you can improve your posture and maximize your growth potential. Incorporate these 10 home exercises into your daily routine, and you may find yourself standing taller and feeling more confident in no time. Remember, while these exercises can help, maintaining a balanced diet and getting adequate sleep are also crucial for overall growth and well-being. So, start today and take the first step towards a taller, more confident you. For more insights into the benefits of a healthy lifestyle, kindly join us on the Discovering Hub Sports. If you found this video enjoyable, we encourage you to spread the word to your friends and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter as well.